Start it.
Today we are going to unbox our new rice cooker. This is Sammy, that's Ayush, and it's me, Pravesh.
Let's have a close look on these.
Woo! Now it comes with a manual, and we're trying to read it. It's Aroma, America's #1 rice cooker brand, and it got a coupon inside too. Any size of dollar off with any size of Mahatma Karodila rice. You guys can see it. We're gonna keep that one. 5+5 Aroma. Okay. It has a recipe too. And this is our instruction manual.
So how are you feeling so far, sir?
It got a manual on how to cook too. It may be useful for that guy, that bitch who doesn't know how to cook.
This bit.
And now it's rice cooker time, guys. You excited for it? Yes, sir.
Clap.
यो सब बाहिर लगिन फ्रन्ट हेर्नुमा